When you're coming into my house, this is the curtain for the door. You can see that is the curtain for the door. And then down there, I I have that thing. I was actually doing um, some cleanliness today, and I finished it. So I was just having some chat with one of my friends. So that's my door. Those are my outside crocs when I enter inside. So when you're entering, from the door, the first thing down here, I actually don't put anything down here because I just like, this is where I normally put the dirty shoes. I normally put dirty shoes here when I'm back from work every day. That's where I put the dirty shoes. But since today it is a weekend, I had to clean it up, and the shoes are already outside drying. But from the door, this is what you see. That's my seat, actually, a three-seater. So that is where I first throw myself. If you know, as a hustler, you just from work and you're so tired, you feel so exhausted. What the first thing you do is just throw yourself there and be like, oh my goodness, I'm so tired, I'm so tired. You know what I mean? I'm so tired. Guys, it is funny, but for me, that's where I throw myself every day when I'm from work. That's where I put myself for like even 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and then I think of what to do next. Okay, then after that, you come this side, you see my bed. My bed is there. As a hustler, that's where I actually, this is the house I have started my life with, and hopefully God will bless me and or raise me up to another level. But for now, this is where I stay and this is where I sleep with my analog blankets. You know this. If you know this, you know it. Okay, those long time warm blankets, so they're so good and I like them. With my cattle pillows, I just like putting those pillows that way. Okay, I love putting it that way. I don't like putting it in front of the bed there, because in front of the bed there I have some open wards. There are three of them. So this is where I put the phones, etc, necklaces, the watch, and etc. That's where I put, so that it will be easy for me in the morning to pick it and just go. Like most especially when I'm late, when I wake up late, I just grab on things like never before. And my bags here for emergency, when I'm in a hurry to go somewhere, or when I'm late in the morning to go to work, I just grab one of these and go with. And then this is my rosary. Aki imevunjika, sijui na ilivunjika aje. I feel so bad when I see my rosary is broken, but I still love it. And every morning I just hold it and do some sign of the cross before going to work. And or sometimes I carry it in my bag. They say God first, and yeah. So I put it there so that I don't forget God is there. Okay. And then up here I have some of the jackets. This is emergency jackets for coldness. So when you've got some emergency thing and you have to run away, and just grab it, throw it on your body, and just go. You're good to go. Okay. So come to this side here, guys. We have this. This is the jacket. I just put it here for any emergency. And then that one there is my phone stand. Like if I want to record a sitting camera, a sitting video, I just fix my phone here. There's a holder, and then fix my phone, reduce it to the level I want, and then use it. Okay, it is long, adjustable to any size you want. If you want it to be long up to up there, you can adjust it. As you can see, there's adjustable buttons, so everywhere it has them, so you can adjust it. But if I'm not using it, I use it for jackets. Okay, I just put the jackets on top of it so that it will be easy for me in the morning to just wake up and go. Here it is my window. This is my window, and it is open. I just need some fresh air. That don't mind about that. Is for the neighbor. And here up here, guys, I have some of the clothes. If you know, in African home, you can always have that. Instead of having the hangers, I have the rope. I hang the rope in between the nails. If you can see, there is a nail there, and then there's also the other nail there. So, and then put clothes on top of it, some of the jackets, some of the t-shirts, trousers. I just put them there, and then I have some here, like just quick clothes. If I want clothes, I packed some here, and then some are in the case. Instead of carrying the case, since the space is small for me here, I couldn't actually put the case here, and yeah, I had to put the case somewhere. And then here I have some. This is my school bag actually. Last year when I was in a college, it is the one I was using. And here I have the hankies. So I put these hankies here for easy use. So if I have Oma, and in the morning I need to use a hanky, so I just put them here so it can be easy for me to grab one of it and go with. So I have the bags here, my, how can I say, waist bag here. So it is just, I decided to put them on this place so it can be easy for me to use. We live there. I come up here. This is where I put my reading books, novels, and yeah, etc. That's where I keep them. Come here. I have my oils, smearing oils, the combs, and my face masks, and my antenatal medicine here, and yeah, and my toothbrush here, my body splash here, my padlock here. That's where I keep them. And come to another window. Here I have the bottles. The one if I buy, if you know it, guys. I'm that kind of a person. When I buy something, I just keep the bottle. I keep them there. Fine. Come to this side of the kitchen. This is my sink. You see, this is the sink, and I actually have water already. And then this is where I put my utensils. Here, my plates. How's asala? You just have to have some small things for starting. We are starting life, guys. Here, okay. Nothing is perfect here, but we are just starting life. So don't mind of what you see. Just comment and And then here I have my tomatoes, my onions, my dania. Don't mind these things. They like coming where there is raw food. I have my food here, my oil, my my things that I use daily. But then I'm that tea person. I love tea, so that's why cooking, it's not daily cooking. And then my Kaddish here, if I want to use it, and then my Kaufa, if I want to listen to the radio, I will listen to the news. So it is working. And then since today, I'm not in the mood of listening to any news. I'm bored of the news. It is just there. So here is the other side of the woofer. So I just put anything that I want. I put here my mash boxes. I put here. Up here I have like a small woofer. And then this is my hand wipe. I just hang it up there. If I wash my hands, I just dry it with this. And then down here, guys, we have my cooking meko. Cooking meko. Since here I have some food. Yesterday I cooked some rice, and even up to now there's still rice in the saucepan. And then that bucket there has the posho wunga. It has posho in it. And that bag there is for where I keep the empty bags. So it's just for empty bags. This jerrycan has drinking water, not salt water, for drinking. And then this side here we have emergency jerrycan. That emergency jerrycan, in case water is not in the house, so it's the one I used to go and carry water outside and bring it for use. Here is my dustbin. I love putting it here because if I put it outside, I have the cats are there, they like playing with it, and they pour the rubbish down, which is so stressing. Down here I have my Crocs for a toilet use. This is a toilet and a bathroom in one. So when I'm going to use the bathroom, I wear my Crocs and enter to the bathroom. So here I have the bathroom window, which is this one. That's my bathroom window with a candle and whatever. Come down here, I have a sitting toilet. Just shushuma, not a sitting, it's for shushuma. You shushuma on this one, and then you use your towel. So that is the wall. Start from there up to that side. All is big like that. And this is my basins for washing. And my soap dish where I put my pegs. Those are toilet scrubs. Yeah. And then up here I have my towel. My towel is up here. My green towel. That's where I hang my towel and hang my panties. So that is it. And this is my bucket, the one I normally use for bathing. Just like a simple life. So that's me in my Casimo bed sitter. So the view of my bathroom is like this. You see that big space there? Then coming also this side, a big space. On this side also big space. So that's my bathroom together with my toilet in one. Yeah, has the Suzanna. So from here, when you're in a toilet though, so you can stand and see all my room. Make a bed, make a seat, make a clothes up there. And yeah, it is just wow. I just love it because it is just like I'm starting a life, and maybe one day, one time I'll be on another level. So I'm so proud of myself to start it this way, which is still a good thing, to start a life staying alone without any stress, because I was so stressed staying with my relatives. But now I feel like I have peace and everything is okay for me. I can sleep anywhere I want, and yeah. So that's all my room tour, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, consider liking, consider commenting, and tell your friends also to subscribe to the Hustlers channel, Suzanna N. And I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.